advice I will give you about marriage, the one thing I will tell you about marriage that people don't pay attention to. I want to marry her because I love her. Shut up. Because I want to marry him for deen. You're not marrying a beard. You're marrying a human. You could be religious, pray 5 times, and you could still hate their guts. Just because someone is practicing their deen does not make them a good person in every other way. There are plenty of people that have an anger problem and they go to Hajj every year, but they still have an anger problem. Allah mentioned one thing about marriage that is on top. Number 1, everything else is later. He said He made you into spouses for the purpose that you could find peace. That means when you love someone, but sometimes you can love someone without respecting them. You can love someone without being honest to them. You can love someone without caring for them properly. You can love someone but hate their family. And all of these things, you know what they do? They take away the peace. So even if love is there, peace is not there. And when peace is not there, the purpose of the marriage is gone.